How to use ChatGPT on Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT on Discord. So first thing, just open up your Discord application and make sure you are logged into your account and you also have enough channels where we can implement ChatGPT. So to implement ChatGPT, what we can do is just head over to any of your favorite browser and search in for Discord bot list. So once you're inside here, just tap on the first official link of Discord bot list. So it will basically take you to this interface where you will have to add the ChatGPT bot on your Discord. So simply search in for ChatGPT, just like this. So once you search in for ChatGPT, you can see the first option over here. So just tap on this add bot button over here. So once you tap on this, you can simply click on this invite ChatGPT Discord bot. So once you click on it, it will ask you for your verification or sign in, and you may as well sign into your account. So once you're inside here, just scroll down and it will ask you to add a server under your name, in which server you want to add this bot, and simply click on connect or click on continue. And once you do all of that, it will also ask you to confirm that you want to grant ChatGPT the following permission on that particular channel. So once you do all of that, just tap on this authorize button over here, and there you go. Just like that, your ChatGPT has been authorized to your particular signed channel. And you should see message something by saying, so which says something like this. And you can also start talking with ChatGPT by simply typing /help command, just like this. So once you type in your help keyword just like this, it will automatically create a list of things you can do to start a conversation with the ChatGPT. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.